welcome back to Futureview podcast. I'm your host, Obi, and this is the 10th and the final episode of our series, AI Product Manager series, how to be a product manager in this AI game. Like I said all the time, AI is not taking anybody's job. AI is just gonna change the job, the way we work, the way we live even. But the people that knows how to use AI to do their job will take their role, your role, if you're not developing yourself. So let's stop being skeptical about AI. Let's dive in and learn as much as we can. The essence of this series is to guide as many people as possible ready, especially in Africa, to be ready for this new AI era. There's lots of tools being developed. There's lots of application systems being developed. So there's need for managers that knows how to manage technical teams and the business itself, to bring them together to deliver a very high-powered, valued product and solution the whole world. And this topic will help you go global as well. You don't need to leave your country or even your house if you work from home to go anywhere to get big jobs from big tech companies. So this is a place to be. This is what you need to do. Subscribe and put on your notification button so that you get to know when new videos are dropping. We're coming back with new series. I can't give you any tips now, so you have to join in. You have to do that subscription, and most importantly, please comment. Comment so we can know what you want. Give us idea of where you want us to go in this series. If there any particular topic you want us to discuss, we research on it and come back to make sure you're getting the value you so desired. It's our aim and our goal to make sure that lots and lots of people, especially in Africa, are carried along, are in the forefront of what AI is doing, so we don't play catch up again as people. So please share with your team, share within your network, encourage people to sign up, let them get involved so we grow and rise together. So we're gonna be talking about what AI, the positive impact, particularly in Africa context. I will encourage everybody, to aim for global opportunities. Go global, nothing stopping you at this point. So we're gonna take some key points. First of all is AI for good in Africa. AI for good in Africa, looking at how AI can solve pressing challenges in Africa, such as healthcare, education, agriculture, and finance. These are key areas AI can do a lot. What are you looking at? How are you thinking about it? What is your neighbor saying that they are struggling with? As a product manager, this is your time to start thinking critically, thinking broadly, looking at the bigger picture. How do we change things? Your role is to directly contribute to this change. It's about being there and being part of what's going on. So not just getting a job and being in your. I used to do data analysis. I used to be a data analyst, and I contributed to a book for British Computer Society. In that book, I said a data analyst should not be a data monk that just sit down and crunch data all day long. It should work like a consultant. You know what this guy is doing, you can understand the business rules, then you can affect them in the right sense. Sometimes you even need to call them, say, okay, this is what I'm doing, but this is where you're coming. You're consulting, you're making sure everybody is increasing the data culture. This is what AI is doing. AI is based on data anyway, so it's very relatable. So don't just find a job and sit there and do nothing more. That will not change the life of other people or even yours. The increase you want, the visibility you want, it comes with being out there, finding out what's happening, getting involved in any way you can. And that will improve your global employability. the skill you learn will be globally recognized and highly sought after by big tech companies worldwide. So you don't need to travel. That's the essence. You don't need to travel out of your local area to get what you want. And by the grace of God, what we are doing now to make sure that infrastructures are in place as well. Electricity, internet, everything will be as much as available to help you. But do your work, not having to move around. You move when you want to. The power should come back to you. You travel when you need to, when you feel like you need, not that